Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum, Abrar.
But even we have to show half of our face.
No, it's not. You're not drinking. I'm just making this. So, Assalamualaikum. How are you?
No, she just said that we have to
So we look at the.
Let's put a camera.
What is this, Anfal? Abrar? Why are you waiting backward? واحد اثنان ثلاثة أربعة خمسة ستة سبعة ثمانية تسعة. It's backward, sweetheart. Okay, you need to
This
do...
was what I was tracing my hand today.
That's your hands? Nice, mashallah. Did you memorize what is this in Arabic? Can you tell me the fingers? It's last time mommy gave you a song. Do you remember? Liyadani yumna wa yusra fi kulli yadin hamsu asabi'a.
No, that's not the one I was talking about. One in Arabic. I forgot how to sing it.
Okay. And then the blue shirt. What are you doing in the blue shirt? November 11. What are you doing here? Puzzle?
Puzzle. But I'm watching
What kind
of
of
the puzzle. The one we watched last time.
And then this one? The pink jacket?
I was spelling Allah.
Allah. Alif. Lam. Lam. Ha. Right? Allah. Good job, mashallah. And then this is another Allah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then the next. Another puzzle. Is it Dora puzzle?
Dora puzzle.
This one?
No, that's not Dora puzzle. I don't know what kind of puzzle. But Aisha has the Dora puzzle teacher gave.
How about this one? What are you making here?
The berry tree.
Berry tree. Oh, what is the berry?
The berry is red, and it's not a little close. That's why I can't see it a little.
How about this one?
I just started making the cherries.
Okay, and then the next with the dress.
I see it fed with Legos.
That's not Anfal. It's you, honey. It's almost like Anfal, huh? How about this one? What are you writing here?
Is it the cat? Yeah. No, A-U-E. Oh.
Okay. Ba, bu, bi. Good job, mashallah. Okay. How about this one? The pink one. What you making? Is that puzzle?
No, Lego.
Oh, Lego. Okay.
Well, it looks like Anfal.
Yeah, it looks like Anfal, but it's you.
Let me tell you something.
How about this one? What is this?
This is my basket where all my toys are. Can I tell you something?
You're playing in the Play-Doh?
Yeah.
What do you want to tell Abrar?
Abrar, these are the stripes, even like my star one. I got the star, you got 2 funders.
Yeah, but even Chicha have one. Yeah.
Oh, both of us have the same.
That's the one we bring it to Indonesia last time.
Even we have the same swimsuit, because I have a good one of the flower white.
Okay, so what are you doing here on this?
That's when I was in the red table by myself. It was the first day of school.
Oh, only you by yourself?
Yeah, it was the first day of school, and I was in the red table by myself.
Okay, let's see. You have.
Abrar, we're gonna find new gems for you. It's gonna be special, and it's gonna be so good, and it's gonna be really pretty.
Really? What is that? Okay,
So
let's check Abrar. What Abrar did. Abrar has 46 points. Let's see. What you want?
Let me see if I have a new.
Today. Is this for today? November 16th. Yes, it's today. Homework. Is homework done? Did you do your homework or no?
Yeah.
Did you remember? Yeah. Yes, homework and then participating. What the teacher talking about today? What participating you did today? And then 2 points, sunnah. You say Assalamualaikum. You say Assalamualaikum. Why not answering mommy say Assalamualaikum? If mommy say Assalamualaikum ya abrar, what do you answer? What the answer? Is the answer laughing? Ha 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 like that?
Can I have a jam? What jam? This. Let me check if it's from there. Yeah, but you can just pour away. Okay. I can't play with you. But can I see my Dojo Point monster?
Sunday 0, Saturday 0, Friday 0.
Is this your store, Abrar? No. It's not my store.
On Thursday, November 12, Sunnah. Abrar saying Ahkar Subhanallah Walhamdulillah Wala ilaha illallah Allahu Akbar. Can you say it? Subhanallah
Walhamdulillah Wala ilaha illallah Allahu Akbar.
Masya
Sometimes we can do
Allah.
it one finger. Subhanallah Walhamdulillah Allahu Akbar.
Okay. Then you did say Assalamualaikum. Good job, Abrar. And then this one you have positive 8 positive. First, cleanness. Cleanness. So you need to be clean. You need to
It was today my show and tell, and I left a little bit of play, so I quickly cleaned it up.
This is not today. This was Wednesday, last Wednesday.
No, it's
So every day you need to clean up after your toy. Everything you need to be nice. You need to make it your table nice. Okay, you need to clean up. Okay, and even you need to helping to clean up the classroom, right?
Yeah.
Because the cleanness is part of iman. Understand? What is this? An-nadhafatu minal iman. Did your teacher say that?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So you need to remember that. So you need to keep clean. If you don't take shower, you need to take shower. Because shower is part of cleanness of our body, right? So that's why cleanness is from one of part of iman. An-nadhafatu minal iman. Good job.
This is my daughter.
And then Arabic class. And then you did say Assalamualaikum. Good job. MashaAllah. Tabarakallah. Abrar. And then this is already 1 week ago. Okay, let's go back. Okay.
Mommy, can I see what Dojo monster I have?
What monster?
Dojo monster.
What is Dojo monster?
No, I saw that I had the pink one, and I don't know what the eyes looks like.
Which eyes?
And in JK, I had the one like the green monster with a lot of eyes.
Just wait, Abrar. Afnan, just wait.
This is from last time when I was wearing
Can you
the
read the surah, the last week surah? Please.
All right.
Okay, sit down nicely and then read the
Surah
surah.
Al-Fil.
Okay. أعوذ بالله first.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Got it.
I know it.
What?
I know.
Surah Al-Fil, you said.
I know, but I don't know. I forgot it.
What forgot it? What surah did you remember?
An-Nas.
Surah Al-Fil. Alam taro kayfa fa'ala rabbuka bi ashab. Go ahead. Repeat it from. Okay, go ahead. Alam. If you quiet, you're able to. I'm not playing. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Alam.
ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل
فجعلهم
كعصف مأكول.
Listen, mommy. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول. خلاص. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you Anfal, Abrar. Assalamualaikum.